Welcome to TrueHost Academy. Today we're diving into how to build a stunning WordPress website using Elementor. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to upgrade your site, Elementor offers a powerful, user-friendly solution. Let's get started. First things first, you need a WordPress site up and running. If you don't have one yet, go to wordpress.org and follow the instructions to set up your site. Once you have your WordPress site live, log into your dashboard. To install Elementor, head over to the Plugins menu on the left sidebar and click Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor. When you find Elementor Page Builder, click Install Now and then Activate once the installation is complete. With Elementor activated, you can now create a new page. Go to Pages and click Add New. Give your page a title like Home or About Us, and then click the Edit with Elementor button. Welcome to the Elementor editor. This is where the magic happens. On the left, you have your widgets, and on the right is your live page preview. Elementor comes with a variety of widgets. You can drag and drop elements like headings, text paragraphs, images, and buttons onto your page. Let's start by adding a heading. Drag the heading widget onto your page and you'll see the options to customize it. You can adjust the text, font size, color, and alignment here. Make your changes until you're happy with the look. Next, let's add an image. Drag the image widget to your desired location and upload your image. You can also adjust its size and alignment. Want to add a call to action? Drag the button widget to your page. Customize the button text, link, and style as needed. Elementor also allows you to create complex layouts with sections and columns. Click on the Add New Section button to choose your layout and start designing. Select a structure for your section, then drag and drop widgets into each column. Customize each widget individually for a cohesive design. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the Preview Changes button to see how your page looks. Don't forget to click Update to save your changes. Your newly designed page is now live. And there you have it. You've successfully built a WordPress page using Elementor. Experiment with different widgets and settings to make your site uniquely yours. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on building and managing your website. Drop any questions or comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.